Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 7 Comprehensive Book Chapter 2. Okay, question number 15. M upon n to the power 3 by 8 plus n upon n to the power 3 by 8 equal to 9. Then find the value of this plus this. So here we will, I'm just writing the number first. M by n to the power 3 by 8 plus n by m to the power 3 by 8 equal to 9. So what we will do here, we will just square both the side and apply the identity of a plus b whole square. Okay, I'm just writing here it squaring both side means LHS and RHS and applying identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is okay. So a is here m upon n to the power 3 by 8. So I can write here m by n to the power 3 by 8 and whole square will be here, which will be multiplied with the power plus 2 into, I am breaking the powers here on the base, m to the power 3 by 8 upon n to the power 3 by 8 plus, multiply here first, multiply by, it is 2ab, b is your n to the power 3 by 8 upon m to the power 3 by 8. Okay, plus b square, b is this term here. Okay, so n by m to the power 3 by 8 multiply by 2 equal to 9 square. I have squared both the side, LHS and RHS both side. So we can simplify here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now m to the power 3 by 8, m to the power 3 by 8 cancel out. N to the power 3 by 8, n to the power 3 by 8 cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. Now we are left with m upon n to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 plus n by m to the power 3 by 4. This is equal to 9 multiplied by 9. 9 9s are 81. Okay, so we have to find m upon n to the power 3 by 4 plus n by m to the power 3 by 4. This is already here. So we can write m by n to the power 3 by 4 plus n by m to the power 3 by 4 equal to 81 minus 2, that is your 79. It is available in the option number A because we have to find the value of this one and we found it. The 15th answer is option A. Okay? Come to the question number 16. 3 to the power x equal to this, then find the value of this and this. So first what we have to find? We have to find 3 to the power x plus 2. plus 3 to the power x minus 2. Can we write it? 3 to the power x multiply by 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power x multiply by 3 to the power minus 2. And 3 to the power x is already given, that is your 2700. Multiply by 3 3s are 9. Okay? Plus 2700 multiply by 3 3s are 9, but it will be 1 upon 9 because power is in minus. So 2700 multiply by 9, that is your 20 and 24 300. Okay? Plus 9 3s are 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are, it is 300. So answer is your 24,600. That is in the option number B. So 16th answer is option B. Come to the question number 17. 4 to the power x equal to 2 to the power y equal to 16 to the power z equal to 256. Then find the value of this equation. So first we have to find the value of x, y and z. So equivalent the numbers individually. 4 to the power x equal to 256. It means 4 to the power x equal to 4 to the power 4. Since bases are same, x equal to 4. Now 2 to the power 4 equal to 256. That is your 2 to the power, sorry, it is y, not x. Actually, it is your y. 2 to the power y equal to 2 to the power 8. This implies bases are same, so y equal to 8. We can now 16 to the power z equal to 256. So 16 to the power z, we can write 256 as the power of 2 on 16. So this implies z equal to 2. Now we know the value of x, y and z. Now put the value on this equation. So x square means 4 square. 4 square plus 8 square plus 2 square plus 2 multiply by x means 4 multiply by y means 8 plus 2 multiply by y means 8, z means 2 plus 2 multiply by z means 2, x means 4. Okay? Now simplify it. I'm just putting one line here so that it can be separated. 4 4s are 16, 8 8s are 64, 2 2s are 4, plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. If you add all of them, 16, 64, 80, 84, 88 and 88, 148, 150, 180 and 180, 190, 196. 196, it is available in the option number B. So 17th answer is option B. Question number 18. A teacher distributes 2209 toffees equally among n number of students. If each students get n toffees, then find n. So n number of students and each student got n toffees. It means n multiplied by n should be 2209. Okay? So n square equal to 2209. So we can prime factorize 2209. If we prime factorize it, 2209, so we can see 2209, 234, no. Very difficult to find the prime number. Okay, then find the square root of this 2209. So to find the square root of the 2209, what we will do? First, we will make the two pair of the numbers 22 and 09. Now we will take a number, the perfect square number. Okay, we will take the perfect square number nearest to the 22. So it can be your 4. So 4, I'm just writing here, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. Now we will write 4 here also. And 22 minus 16, it will be your 6. Now 0. And here it is added. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay? Now 0, 9 will drop down. To find the square root, always two numbers will drop down. Okay? Now we have to find the number 8, and at the unit place there should be some number which when multiply with this, so we can get either 609 or the smaller than 609. So we can check if we take 7. So 7 sevens are 49. I'm writing 7 here also. Carry 4, 8 sevens are 56 plus 4, 60. 0, 0, 0. It means we found 47 as the power of 2. So n square equal to 47 power 2. We will get 2209. This implies powers are same. So this should be same. N equal to 47. N equal to 47. It is available in your option number C. 18th answer is option C. Okay? 19. Which among the following is ascending order of this? So we have to find the ascending order. How can we compare the exponents? To compare the exponents, either we have to check the exponent number or we have to check the base. So here we can make the exponent same and we can check through the base. So first write 2 to the power 1, 0, 2, 4. Second one is your 5, 5, 1, 2. Third one is your 7, 2, 5, 6. And fourth one is your 81, 1, 2, 8. We can write all the exponents in the product of 1 to 8. Okay? It is already in the product of 1 to 8, so we don't. 81 to the power 1 to 8. Here it will be 7 to the power 2 multiply by 1 to 8. We can write it 49 to the power 1 to 8. Okay? Now 5 to the power 4 multiply by 1 to 8, that is your 5 to the power 4 equal to 6 to 5 to the power 1 to 8. Okay, now 1020, 2 to the power 8 multiply by 1 to 8. So 2 to the power 8 can be written as 256 to the power 1 to 8. Now we can see all the exponents are same. Okay? So we can compare the number by checking their base. So we have to arrange in the ascending order. So first we have to write the smallest one. Smallest one is this. So 7 to the power 256, 7 to the power 256. Two options can be the answer. Okay. Next will be your 81 to the power 1 to 8. 81 to the power 1 to 8, 81 to the power 1 to 8. Okay. Third will be your 2 to the power 1024. So here it is, no, this one. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So 19th answer is option B. 20. Question number 20. 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216 plus 343 to the power 3 by 4 it is. 3 by 4 it is. To add all of them, if we add these numbers, so we will find 784 to the power 3 by 4. 3 by 4 we can write 784 to power 3 whole power 1 by 4. Okay. Now prime factorize 784. 784. If we prime factorize it, to start with 2, तो 2 से करोगे आप 392, then again 2, तो 196, again 2, it will be your 98, again 2, to 49, again 2, to 7 multiply by 7. ठीक है? Now this to the power 3 means all 2 to the power 4, I can write it 2 to the power 4 multiply by 7 to the power 2 whole power 3 to the power 1 by 4. Now we have written it like this. Now power 4 multiply by 3, 2 to the power 4 multiply by 3 multiply 7 to the power 2 multiply by 3. ठीक है? So this is your 2 to the power 12 multiply by, sorry, I have put 1 by 4 also, power 1 by 4. 2 to the power 12 multiply by 7 to the power 6 and whole power 1 by 4. Now this power will come on the individual base. It will be 2 to the power 12 multiply by 1 by 4. ठीक है? Multiply 7 to the power 6 by 4. So here it can be simplified. 4 3s are 12 and here it will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are. So it will be your 2 to the power 3 multiply by 7 to the power 3 by 2. That is your 8 multiply 7 multiply 7 to the power half. That is your 56 under root 7. Half can be written as under root 7. It is in the option number B. 20th answer will be option B. Okay. Come to the question number 21. Find the value of 3 to the power 8. Sorry, 3 to the power 3 to the power 8 to the power 0 to the power 5 to the power 6. So here you can see 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. And now this 3 power is 8 and on 8 power is 0. If power will be 0 on any number, x to the power 0, it is equal to 1. So it means from here the complete term will be equal to 1. Here the complete term from 2, it will be 1. And here the complete term will be 1. So here we are left with 3 to the power 3 only plus 2 to the power 4 to the power 1, which will be same, plus 6 to the power 1. ठीक है? 3 to the power 3, 27 plus 16 plus 6. If you add all of them, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 49. It is in the option number A. The 21st answer is option A. Okay. 22nd. Question number 22. X to the power 3 plus m square and this equal to this. Find the value of m. So x to the power 3 plus m square multiply by x to the power 3 minus m square. So at this point we will apply the identity of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. ठीक है? So it will be your x to the power a square, 3 square means 9 plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by m, 6m plus m square. Okay. Now bases are same, so we can add the power. X is base, so plus 3 minus m square Here it is equal to x to the power 24 equal to x to the power 24. This implies plus m square minus m square. 9 plus 3, 12. So x to the power 12 plus 6m equal to x to the power 24. We can see bases are same. If the bases are same, the powers can be equalized. 12 plus 6m equal to 24. This implies m equal to 2. Answer should be C. The 22nd answer is option C. 23rd answer. Simplify this, divide by this, multiply by this. So 512 upon 125. Can I write 512 as the power of 8 to the power 3? 8 8s are 16 and 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are 512 upon 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 whole power 2 by 3 divide by 64 can be written as power of 3 on 4 and 5 to the power 3 whole power 1 by 3 multiply by 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3 whole power 2 by 3 by 3 it is. Okay. Now 8 by 5 whole power 3 multiply by 2 by 3 divide by 4 by 5 power 3 multiply by 1 by 3 multiply 5 by 2 to the power 3 multiply by 2 by 3. Okay, now simplify the powers. To simplify it, 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel. Now 8 by 5 power 2. So I can write it 64 upon 25. Okay. Now I am just changing the division into multiplication. If I will change the division into multiplication, the numerator and denominator will be reciprocated. It will be exchange its position. 4 by 5 to the power 1, it will be your 5 by 4. Okay, now multiply by 5 by 2 to the power 2, it can be written as 25 upon 4. Okay. Now we can simplify it. 25 can be cancelled out with the 25. Now 4 16s are, again 4 4s are, and we are left with the 4 and 5 in the numerator. So 4 5s are 20. In the denominator there is only 1. So 23rd simplification we can find. 23rd answer will be your B. 23 B. Okay. Come to the question number 24. 3600 equal to 2 to the power m plus multiply by 3 to the power n multiply by 5 to the power 2. Then find the value of this. So first we will prime factorize 3600. So first I will take 5, 5 6 are, 5 7s are, 5 2s are, and then 0. Okay, now again I can take 5. So 5 1s are, 4s are, and 4s are. Now 3, 3 4s are, 8s are. Again 3 1s are, 6s are. Now 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and then 2 2s are. Okay. So how many? So we can write 3600 as 5 to the power 2 multiply by 3 to the power 2 multiply by 2 to the power 4 equal to 2 to the power m multiply by 3 to the power n multiply by 5 to the power p. So we can equalize the bases. 5, p will be 2, n will be 2 and m will be 4. P equal to 2, n equal to 2, m equal to 4. Okay. Now m plus n minus p. M plus n, 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2, it should be 4. So I can write here 512 upon 16 to the power 14. Sorry, 16 to the power 4. 16 to the power. So 2 to the power 9. 512 means 2 to the power 9 upon, and 16 to the power 4, it means 2 to the power 16. So now bases are same, so power will be subtracted. 9 minus 16 minus 7, so 2 to the power minus 7. Option A. 24th answer is option A. Now question number 25. The least integer value of which satisfy a to the power 4 is greater than 2400. So if we check 7 to the power 4, 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7, so we will get 2401. If we check with B, so 6 to the power 4, it will be your 1296. So 5 cannot be possible, 8 cannot be possible. Option A is the correct answer. 25th answer is option A. Okay. Now come to the question number 26. Which one among the following is greatest? So to find the greatest value, we can see all the powers are same. But all the powers exponents are in negative number. So if the exponents are negative number, then the base with the smaller value will be greatest among all. Base having the smaller value will be greatest among all. So here answer should be 2 to the power minus 4. That is your option C. 26th answer will be option C. Question number 27. This upon 1 by 4 it is. Okay. So we can write 0.0256. So if we decimal, I can write it 10000 to the power 1 by 4. 256. 256 can be written as in the as power of 4. So 4 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This is equal to 4 by 10 to the power 4 multiply by 1 by 4. 4 cancel out. So 4 by 10, it can be written as 0.4. It is in the option number A. The 27th answer is option A. 28. 2 to the power m minus 7. 2 to the power m minus 7 equal to 32. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Bases are same, so we can equalize the power. This implies m minus 7 equal to 5. This implies m equal to 12. Now we have to find 2 to the power m minus 3. Means 12 minus 3. So 2 to the power 9. And what is the value of 2 to the power 9? It is your 512. This is in the option number B. So 28th answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.